Okay, so we've seen what review periods are, what are the rating profile rating models. Okay, so what we do now is something called as, we did performance roles. Okay, what I would request you to do is create every employee that you're creating under a A2F Bangalore BU. Okay, I will ping this across the chat so that it is easier for you. Okay, so just remember that you just create it under that, so that what I'm doing now is that I'm creating a what you sorry okay, I've pinged you this. Okay, so what happens is that I will create a talent management eligibility profile now. We only saw goal management, right? So talent management, you have a different eligibility profile, which says when you create eligibility profiles, you have something called as talent management, wherein we have profiles, not talent management, we have performance. Okay, where this is, we create just for performance management. Okay, I am going to give a criteria that all employees under this BU, whatever I have pinged you across over the chat, will be eligible for this profile. For this performance management. Okay, so if you can create employees in that, so it will be useful, so that you don't have to create another unless you want to really change over and check that up.
Okay, what is the reason we are creating these, separate one for benefits, separate one for goals, separate one for performance?
Okay, say for example in benefits. Yeah, hold on. I'll tell you. Like say for example for maternity. Okay, yes. It is only female employees are included.
Yes.
But for absence, that is not the case.
Yes.
Rest of the absences.
Yes.
Okay, I want the entire organization to be participating in the accrual plan. Okay, so for that I need to have a different eligibility.
All right.
Okay, for benefits, I want people above 50 years to be enrolled into a particular plan.
Okay.
That is available, people greater than 50 years is available only for benefits. Meaning I don't have to ensure that the other modules get confused and use these. Okay, because in benefits what happens, I don't have a grade criteria. But in absence what happens, the same age criteria, say anybody above 50 we can avail leave. Okay, but their grade has to be so and so. Okay, it differs, the eligibility criteria differs from module to module, and what you need to understand is that every module has different meaning need for your eligibility profile. So that is the reason that the module wise eligibility profiles are given.
Oh, so basically all the different modules demand a different need from the eligibility profile.
If you see the page, it will be the same.
Yeah, it has. Yes.
That will not change. Okay, but from the usage perspective, meaning say anything that you define under this eligibility profile, the usage will also be the same, but application, meaning in terms of how you apply the eligibility profile, will be different.
Okay.
Meaning in terms of a logic, like say for benefits you have certain criteria, for absences you have certain criteria, for goals you need just a legal entity to be involved or an enterprise to be involved. So there is not much demand in say in your organization for goals and performance and all people who have to be included. So there is not much criteria. Okay, you cannot use the same profiles across the organization or across the modules. That is because of the yes, the very rare, very often it gets repeated. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, but the cases are very rare.
All right.
Okay, so that unless it is for at the entire enterprise and things like that. So otherwise the cases are rare where the eligibility profiles get repeated.
Okay.
Okay, I will create a performance. Okay, so just hold on. Okay, say for example, when I clicked from here, manage talent eligibility profiles. Okay, when I create, okay, I didn't select anything, but performance came automatically, although I can change it. Okay, that is because we are moving in from the talent management module, so that is the reason it is giving us talent eligibility profile. But otherwise, if you open the page, it still says create participant eligibility profile.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Mm. Am I- Okay, let me copy that name. Okay. So in case you have any issue, then you can. Okay. Bargaining unit, business unit. Yeah.
Yeah.
Any doubt here?
No, I think
Okay. Now there are a lot of what do you call? Oh, it has come a specific assignment. Let me cancel this. It is okay. Why I deleted it? Because it has come a specific assignment. So
what would that mean? Specific assignment?
it will be for a specific assignment.
Oh, for specific. Oh, okay.
Okay, for performance. I didn't tell you, so that is the reason I kind of moved apart from that. See here, for a checklist,
Mm-hmm.
okay, you have a list of values.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, for benefits, you have a list of values. But when it comes to performance, there's no list of values.
Why? Why did you?
It is say, okay, when it comes to say goals management, okay, the goals can be created for an employee only, a primary employee only, a specific assignment, any assignment.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, but performance can be for only one employee for that particular assignment only. Like say for example, I am in India, I for only that I might be doing multiple, I might have multiple assignment, but still it will be what you call, I will be given performance on a particular assignment only.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
Okay, because I wouldn't be able to change there, so that is why I deleted and came back so that I can explain this. So when we once we create talent eligibility profiles, I tell the system that okay, whatever I'm going to create, I will attach this talent eligibility profiles. So when it comes to performance, okay, so what exactly do I mean by performance? Performance management is all about how I perform inside an organization and how well these can be managed. Okay, so the in any performance for that matter, there will be something called as document types. Okay, what this helps us to do is that these performance document types will help me to identify what my performance document will contain. Okay, how, what goals it contains, what data it contains, what is the eligibility profiles that I have, all that will be contained in these document. Okay, then there is
Mm-hmm.
something called as sections. Okay, these sections will include competency section, then your goal section, Okay, so it can include various when we come to see, I will show you how that works. Okay, then you have something called as process. Okay, and then you have a template. Okay, then you have a template. Okay, so what happens? A template, these are the documents that the employee will be seeing. Okay, and employee will be able to rate themselves on the sections following a particular process. Okay, and this template will design all this: how my document, what will be visible to my employee, what sections are there in this, what is the process that we need to follow. Okay, and what is the template. The template will contain all this. Okay, somebody wanted to see the talent notifications. I missed out this part. Okay, so let us go through this quickly. Okay, somebody was asking on goal management, when a worker, or what happens when they update a goal, when they cancel a goal, worker shares a goal, will we receive notifications, etc., etc. So this is the list of notifications that are available for you, especially when an HR assigns a goal, when they cancel a goal, when HR deletes a goal. Okay, and this will be available in, you can enable, disable them. Okay, so in the notification region, this will be available. Okay, so what happens here is, I can tell the system when manager cancels a goal, or a worker cancels a goal, worker shares a goal. Okay, so what exactly happens? So it will notify the concerned person. Okay, when a worker when a worker shares the goal, meaning when worker shares when Meera shares it with Rachel and Anshul, what happens is Rachel and Anshul will get a notification saying that Meera has shared the goal. Okay, so that, and organization owner publishes, meaning my divisional head publishes a goal or shares a goal across division, then that will mean the person has published a goal. Okay, so this is something to do with your notification, so you can enable, disable everywhere. Okay, this will pertain to only goal management. Okay, for performance management, you have different set of tasks, different set of notifications. Okay, when worker creates their performance document, manager will receive notification.
So all you have to do is just go and do an enable.
Yeah, it is just about like, say for example, when what I'll do is I'll enable it for a worker and a manager. Okay, worker creates a, where's that? So I will enable this so that we can see it during our cycle. I did save and close, sorry. Okay, this is with respect to jobs, profiles. Okay, when there is a change, interest list change, job profile list change, this can't be edited, meaning what notification you want can't be edited, but whatever is available you can check. Okay, you can check, uncheck the check boxes, and it will mean enable, disable. Okay, talent review, we haven't come to that part yet, we will do that soon. Okay, so this is about review meetings and things like that. So when it comes to goal management, you have a set of notifications that is available when you are in performance, and this, say for example, I check and you uncheck, that will mean it is unchecked. Yeah,
okay,
meaning it is done only once. So I want it and you don't want it, that cannot happen. You either both of us should want it or both of us shouldn't want it. That is how the
common grounds for it.
Yes, yes. See, in the real-time scenario, you don't train yourself, right? It is based on the organizational requirements. So that way, it should not be a problem. So notifications. So only here in the training environments, it kind of differs because each one's preferences will be different. So that way, yeah, we kind of tell that once you test it and then disable it so that it is easier for the others to take it up.
All right.
All right, it is not no harm in testing enabling that, but yeah, there is if the other person unchecks, then if it is something that you have required, then it will be a problem.
Oh,
Yeah, so just take care of that when you are using your whatever testing purposes you are doing. Okay.